Well, good morning, magandang umaga, and welcome to today's episode of My PI Dream. You're probably wondering what all this stuff is inside the garage down here in the basement. Well, we are about to start that big project that we've been talking about here for the last few weeks. Now, with that in mind, let's go ahead and get today's episode started. So without further delay, let's get today's video underway. I'm really excited about getting this project started, and I know that we've alluded in previous videos about the big project, so we're going to reveal today exactly what we're going to do for our big project here in the back of Villa Feliz. And the reason I'm really excited about this project is because I am doing a lot of hands-on. The scope of this job is a little bit too much for me to handle. If I did do it myself, when I say too much for me to handle, what I mean is in the time frame that I would like to get it completed. I could do this whole project on my own. Well, maybe not all on my own, because some of the materials that we're using here, they're extremely heavy, and I wouldn't be able to pick them up myself. So I'm going to have to go with some of the assistance of some other people. But in order to expedite this project, we've actually hired a contractor to come in and help with some of the projects. So we're going to have some teaser videos here a little bit this morning. And if you like what you see, stand by for the days ahead for what we're going to be doing on this big project. Okay, I think it's about time to remove all the suspense about what we're doing here in the backyard of Villa Feliz. And no, it is not the koi pond project. And I know a lot of you have guessed that it was going to be the koi pond project, and that kind of tells me that we have a lot of people that are watching the Villa Feliz series, and that was something that we mentioned early on in the series, that was going to be a big project. As a matter of fact, I still have a lot of the supplies and the logistics for a koi pond, but it's just not going to happen because the swimming pool ended up being what the koi pond area was going to be. But the project that we are doing now is something that is going to complement the swimming pool so that we can enjoy the swimming pool a bit more and do a little bit of entertaining with our friends and family. Well, anyway, what we are going to do, and it should be a drum roll here. I'm sorry, I don't really know how to do the drum roll with my lips too well. That was my poor excuse for a drum roll. Anyway, what we are going to build here, directly behind you, facing the swimming pool, is we are going to build a pavilion, a open air pavilion, something with a roof, some place that you can put chairs, some place that we maybe can do some entertaining. Now, I have to be open and honest with you, the project has actually started right behind you. But it is not nearly completed. We're probably about 20%. So what I've done is I've been archiving up to this point right here, getting some videos so that we can kind of space them out appropriately. So every few days we'll be pushing a video on the progress of our pavilion in the backyard here of Villa Feliz. Let me go ahead and give you a few teaser videos, and if you are enjoying those, if it's something that you think you're going to enjoy in the upcoming days, please stand by for some really great DIY build series of a pavilion in the backyard of Villa Feliz. Anyway, before we get started, what do you think? You're already seeing how some of the projects go. They haven't seen it yet. What do you think about how we've gotten so far?
I am excited. I am getting excited every day.
Well, if she's excited, that's good for me. And I'm excited if you're excited. Well, anyway, I got to apologize for the noise in the background. We actually have some trees being cleared, and that's for the two properties behind us that they're going to be doing house builds here very soon. So that's the sound of progress over there. And we're going to have some great neighbors moving in very soon. When I say very soon, I think about a year. It'll be about the time that they are fully moved in, right?
They will start building within 2
Pretty
months.
soon. About the next 2 months.
Wow.
Wow, that's crazy. Well, anyway, before we close today's video and I reveal a few more things about what to look in the days and weeks ahead, we want to do a couple of shout outs. And we're going to kind of close out the month of September for what we have on our list of shout outs. We have one anniversary and we have one birthday. Well, anyway, the first one is a anniversary shout out that goes to Parnell
De Souza.
De Souza. I made sure that she said the last name first in case I got it wrong, because I always get them wrong. Anyway, Parnell De Souza and his wife are celebrating, or just celebrated, their sixth wedding anniversary on September 13th. So to the both of you, we want to wish you a belated happy anniversary. And our last shout out is a birthday shout out from one of our longtime subscribers, Neil Williams.
Neil.
And it's for his daughter, his youngest daughter. And you got to count because Neil has, I think he said he has 10 children. So I don't know, Neil, when do you even have time to make comments and send me things like this if you got 10 children? You're a busy man.
Lots of blessings.
Lots of blessings. Anyway, it's for his daughter, Chanel
Elise Araya Williams.
Wait, again, I'm going to let her pronounce all the names. Well, anyway, for Chanel, she just turned 1. The youngest, I just said she turned 1, so she is 1 year old now. Or she will be 1. It's not, she hasn't turned yet. On the 24th, on the 24th. So we're getting this one in early, trying to close out our September shout outs, because the rest of the videos for the next month or so are going to be the construction videos for the pavilion. Well, anyway, Neil, to your wonderful 1 year old daughter, we want to wish her a happy birthday. And I do hope you enjoy this upcoming project in the backyard of Villa Feliz. I can't call it a full DIY project because we are employing some outside help to get this thing facilitated and get done in a proper time frame. But I am going to be doing as much hands-on as possible. And hands-on for me is mainly going to be a lot of the woodwork we have, design, logistics of getting the parts, and so that is going to be my part, most of that. Well, anyway, I am going to close from here. Expect in the next few days the first video to be pushed, and you'll be able to see from day one where we're going from breaking ground to the entire completion of this really wonderful project. I hope it's going to be a wonderful project. I'm pretty sure it is. So anyway, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Please share. And if you have not subscribed, just click on that little MyPI Dream heart in the bottom right hand side of your screen. And if you ring that bell, you'll be notified the next time I upload a new video. So until such time, from right here in the wonderful Philippines, you have a wonderful and blessed day. If you enjoyed today's episode and you would like to see more just like these, just click on one of the helpful links over to your right and you might be able to pick up on some good information on DIY projects, how to, or if you are interested in moving to the Philippines and building, you'll find answers there as well.